I'm a member of the League of Assassins, also formerly dead.
I'm still picking up those pieces. I really don't like that word. Oliver's lucky to have you both as friends.
Fighter.
Thought I should give us a tip.
The child of Ras Al Ghul awaits your return.
I'm not going back.
That's not your choice, alive or dead.
You're not going to kill me.
You overestimate your importance.
Be mindful of your surroundings.
You think because you're the beloved, you will be correct?
Let him go.
Nice mask. Why'd you help me?
Protect
It's me. It's Sarah. It's okay.
You're not a hero. You're the girl in the mask. You've been kicking the crap out of creeps in the glades. You've been home for weeks.
No. Come with me.